Okay, y'all. So we're back, and look what we found at 5 and Below. Hold on. We got the pizza one, and then we got the Crocker one, and then we got the macaroni and cheese. Okay, so next we about to do the actual Lunchable, the one that comes with the Crocker. Okay, next, y'all, we're going to do the Lunchable, the crackers, and the cheese, and...
That's racist.
and the pepperoni. And hold on. The cheese. Okay, yeah. Okay, first up is the pizza. Come on. Are you ready? Cheers.
Yes, cheers.
3, 2, 1.
Yuck.
It tastes like orange. Would you rate it? You don't like it?
No,
I say like a 7.
She said it tastes like orange. It don't taste like orange.
I say like 7. Would you rate it?
6.5 out of 7.
They got the little pepperoni, the cheese on there, and then oh, I made a mess over here. You come with the little sauce packet. Okay, next. So did anybody ever realize like how the regular Lunchables that you get at Giant and stuff like that comes with 5 crackers in there, but this lunch, well, I know it's the Gummy Lunchable, but this one comes with 4, the right amount. 1. Let me see. Cheers. Cheers, Kevin.
Cheers.
So we made our sandwich and they already ate eating it, but okay, we about to try it.
It's all so chewy, bro.
Is it? Yeah. It's chewy.
It's not really nothing special. It's just like very chewy. It tastes like a regular.
It's
snack.
too fruity. Like I can't do this. This is what the box look like. Okay, so we're about to try the macaroni.
So we just eat them straight out the box?
Yeah. All right, y'all ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. All right, come on, 3, 2, 1. Come wait, go. Wait, eat it.
This one is harder. What?
Yeah, it's hard. It's a little hard, like a shell. I mean, but it tastes orangey. Like I don't know. Mommy. Oh, we didn't rate the crackers.
Mommy.
I mean the
5 out of 10. 5.5.
I rated a 4.
Mommy.
And these?
No, 4.5.
What about
Mommy.
these?
Orange.
Yeah, good job. Orange. I rate these a 2.
3.5 out of 10. No.
Well, sorry, y'all.
Was the best.
Yeah, I get a piece of one. The
Look
sauce.
Look how stretchy this is.
The sauce was good. But yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. And share so we can get some more views. Say thank you. And bye-bye. See you in the next video.